Talk about energy. Now, living off grid is, of course, more involved than being on the grid. Now, I've done my best to set up this system to be as autonomous as it can be. Christmas is like this for the most part. We might only get a handful of sunny days, and so you really have to watch how much you're consuming and make sure that that's balanced out. And I'm a bit tedious with things like this too. I like to watch the system. There's a great software application we use. Our system is it's all Schneider Electric, and I like to monitor it too, but it takes time. And so it's like anything, with freedom comes responsibility.